Hello dear friends, I'm Dr. Husseini and welcome to Medical and Health. Drinking enough water every day is very important for our health. Fluid loss occurs continuously through sweating, breathing and urine, and these losses must be replaced daily for good health. Because body fluids have many important functions, including digestion, absorption, blood circulation, saliva production, nutrient transportation, and maintaining and regulating body temperature. Drinking water helps maintain normal fluid balance. It's enough about the importance of water to know that your body consists of about 60% water. In this video, I want to discuss why should we drink water. Before starting, please like and subscribe my channel for more medical and health contents. Water has no calories, so it can help to manage body weight and reduce appetite and calorie intake, and is the best alternative to calorie-containing drinks such as soft drinks and energy drinks. Water helps maintain the normal functioning of the intestines, bowel movement, and proper functioning of the digestive system. Drinking enough water makes food move along your digestive system and prevents constipation. When you don't get enough fluids, the colon pulls water from the stool to retain the water, resulting in constipation. Drinking water and eating enough fiber is a great combination because the fluid pumps up the fiber and acts like a broom to keep your bowel functioning properly. Drinking enough water helps your kidneys function and prevents the formation of kidney stones. One of the body's main toxins is blood urea nitrogen, a water-soluble waste product that can pass through the kidneys to be excreted in the urine. Your kidneys do an amazing job of detoxifying your body as long as your fluid intake is adequate. When you get enough fluids, urine flows freely, is clear in color and odorless. But when your body doesn't get enough water, the concentration, color, and smell of urine increase because the kidneys retain extra fluid for bodily functions. If you chronically drink too little water, you may be at a high risk of developing kidney stones, especially in hot weather. Drinking water actually lubricates our joints and helps them stay healthy. A component of synovial fluid, water is necessary to help prevent joint friction. Synovial fluid lubricates the joints and cartilage surrounding them, keeping bones from rubbing together. Water also helps build muscle to further protect the joints. Muscle tissue consists of about 75% water, which helps to form protein in muscles, stabilizing and protecting joints. Dehydration can reduce muscle tone by preventing muscles from contracting. Drinking water also helps in muscle growth and muscle building. Cells that don't maintain their balance of fluids and electrolytes shrivel, which can lead to muscle fatigue and injury. Drinking water helps the skin looking good. Your skin contains a lot of water and acts as a protective barrier to prevent excess fluid loss. But don't expect too much hydration to make wrinkles or fine lines disappear. Dehydration makes your skin look more dry and wrinkled, which can be improved with proper hydration. So if you take care of your health, don't forget to drink enough water daily. Thanks for watching. Please tap the like button to support me, and also don't forget to subscribe me for more medical and health contents.